Welcome back to Ruth Finance, where we talk about money, financial freedom, and building income streams that actually make sense in real life. If you're ready to grow your income or finally stop depending on a single paycheck, today's video is going to open your eyes. We'll talk about side hustles you can start today with no money, no complex requirements, and no excuses. It doesn't matter if you're a student or a stay-at-home parent or working a full-time job and looking for something flexible. You can do this from anywhere you are in the world. Let's start with side hustle 1. Become a virtual assistant. Becoming a virtual assistant is one of the easiest and fastest online side hustles to start, especially because entrepreneurs, small businesses, and content creators are growing by the day, and most of them are overwhelmed with admin work. Virtual assistants help with everyday tasks like email management, scheduling meetings, and organizing files. You can also take on simple roles such as data entry, customer support, or updating spreadsheets, all from the comfort of your home. The beauty of this side hustle is that you can tailor your services based on your strengths. For example, you can focus on inbox organization, client follow-ups, or spreadsheet management, like bookkeeping assistance, CRM updates, or social media scheduling. The work is flexible, repeatable, and always in demand because businesses constantly need help staying on top of their operations. Now let's talk about the pay. Beginners virtual assistants typically earn between $5 and $20 per hour, depending on skills and the client's location. More experienced VAs who handle tasks like project management, customer support, or content coordination can charge $25 to $40 per hour. And the top earners managing multiple clients, offering premium services, or specializing in operations can make up to $5,000 to $10,000 per month. You can find beginner-friendly VA opportunities on platforms like People Per Hour. Then we have Indeed and LinkedIn. And many successful VAs land high-paying clients by pitching their services directly to small business owners. Side hustle number 2 is print on demand with Printify. Print on demand is one of the simplest ways to start a passive income stream because it requires no inventory, no equipment, and zero upfront cost. With platforms like Printify, you can create and sell custom products such as t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, journals, tote bags, posters, and even faith-based merchandise, which is one of the biggest niches online. The best part, you don't print, you don't store or ship anything. Printify handles production, packaging, and delivery for you. Your only job is to create simple designs with Canva. Then you upload them to the products you choose and start selling on your own social media pages like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. It's a global business model, meaning your earning potential isn't limited by location. Beginners typically earn around $200 per month, while experienced sellers make thousands of dollars monthly once their stores grow. If you're ready to begin, use my special Printify link in the description to sign up. It's completely free and supports this channel to grow. Remember, though your beginnings may be small, yet your latter end shall greatly increase. So start small, keep going, and watch God multiply your effort. When you're ready to launch your print-on-demand journey, click the Printify link in the description and get started today. Then side hustle number 3 is online English teacher. With more than 1 billion people currently learning English, online English teaching has become a massive global opportunity. If you speak and write English fluently, you can teach it online. No fancy degree or special background required on any platforms. Most companies simply want proof of fluency, reliability, and a clear speaking voice. Online English teachers typically earn $10 to $40 per hour, and some tutors make $550 or more per week once they build a consistent schedule. There are several trusted platforms where you can start. We have Cambly, which pays around $10 and $20 per hour. Then we have Tutoroo, where top tutors can earn up to $8,000 per month, and Babbling, along with many others you can find online. Some platforms even allow you to teach other languages if you're multilingual. If you enjoy talking to people, helping students grow, and working flexible hours from home, this is an excellent side hustle with strong earning potential. Then side hustle number 4, become a skills trainer. Many people believe you need a big talent to teach others, but the truth is simple. Any skill someone wants to learn is a skill worth teaching. Whether you can cook, dance, create TikTok videos, teach self-defense, or guide simple fitness routines, there is someone willing to pay for your knowledge. You can offer your training online or in person, depending on what fits your style. For example, fitness trainers commonly charge around $20 per session, while content creation coaches, cooking instructors, or dance trainers can set their own rates based on demand and experience. The opportunities are endless because everyone has a skill that others want to learn. To succeed with this side hustle, you need strong visibility and consistent marketing. So use Canva to design clean, attractive posters and promote yourself on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube's community tab, and LinkedIn. Short videos showcasing your energy, teaching style, or results help students trust you faster. Make sure to list your business on Google's business profile and create a LinkedIn service page to look professional and help potential clients find you easily. With the right presentation, even a simple skill can become a steady income source. Then side hustle number 5, writing CVs and resumes. Most people struggle with CVs and cover letters, not because they lack intelligence, but because professional writing is a skill of its own. Job seekers often fail to highlight their strengths, tailor their documents, or clearly show employers why they are the right fit. That's exactly where you come in. If you're good with words, you can structure information clearly and understand how to match a resume to a job description. This is a powerful side hustle. A strong resume requires two things: understanding what the employer wants and positioning the applicant as a solution. Because most people don't know how to do this, resume writing will always stay in demand. Pricing for resume writing is strong. Most writers charge between $40 and $400, while premium writers, especially those with HR or recruiting experience, earn $700 per project. You can promote your services on platforms like People Per Hour and Fiverr, but the fastest way to get clients is through consistent promotion on Instagram, LinkedIn, and TikTok. Short videos, testimonials, before and after CV transformations, and helpful tips attract clients quickly. And if you're willing to run ads, you will grow even faster. And now to conclude, Starting an online hustle can feel overwhelming at first, but you're far more capable than you think. You can learn any of these skills in a matter of days or a few weeks using free resources online. You deserve financial stability, multiple income streams, and opportunities that give you freedom. And the best part, you can start today and with zero upfront cost. Just your time, effort, and willingness to learn. If you want me to expand this list in another video or break down a specific side hustle, like how to pitch clients, price your services, or choose the right tools, let me know in the comments. Also, please tap that like button and join the Ruth Finance community by subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.